Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to override WooCommerce template files to customize your source layouts. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to complete the tasks, you have to pay for a WordPress subscription to access all the features and be able to do all that you want with WordPress. Now, I don't have a subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to override WooCommerce template files successfully. Now let's dive in by following these few steps together. The first step is to locate the template file to override. Go to WP Content, Plugins, Commerce, and then WooCommerce, and then Templates. After that, identify the file you want to override, such as singleproduct.php for product pages. The second step is to copy the files to your theme folder. Now, in your theme directory, slash WP content slash themes slash your themes, create a WooCommerce folder and copy the desired templates files from WooCommerce folder and paste it here. For the third step is to customize the files. Open the copied file in a code editor and make your changes and save it. WooCommerce will now use this version of the template. Now, you're gonna do all these steps in your WooCommerce page. And to be able to do that, you have to start a new store and then enter your account credentials. After you do that, WordPress will ask you to buy a subscription in order to complete making your store and do these steps, the last steps I told you. And if you follow these instructions, you'll be able to override WooCommerce template files. And that's it. That's how you override WooCommerce template files. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorials.